that I'm very happy that we are visiting the Sikh Gurudwara in San Jose. It's on a hillock, very beautiful, and we are having a lovely time. And now you can meet even our surprise friends from Hyderabad.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy that I have a family from Hyderabad. Yes, so I'm excited to meet them. Yes.
And we are so happy to meet the Gurpreet and their family at the Sikh Gurudwara San Jose, and it's a beautiful Gurudwara, really worth seeing, and thanks to Gurpreet and her family for showing this beautiful place.
Everyone, good to have Uncle here. Glad that we met. Gurpreet obviously introduced. Glad that we are here. They're able to experience the beautiful Gurdwara, the weather here. So I'm so happy that we can show them. And it's always great to meet family when you're living abroad. So
He's such a wonderful man. The first time itself, the way he spoke was amazing. Such an affectionate and wonderful man. I'm so happy to see him here, and I really admire the entire fraternity of the Sikh Gurudwara San Jose for creating this magnanimous and magnificent, wonderful place to see this place. And thank you for showing this.
We are very happy to see Uncle from Asmam religion from Hyderabad.
And you both are looking so handsome.
And it's a very good day to go to the
Yes, I'm so happy to meet you, Bete. Yes. I'm so happy to see you both. Okay, tell me your names.
His name is Abhi.
I am 7 years old and I go to first grade in Faria Elementary.
And my name is Bhavneet. I am 9 years old and I go to Lincoln Elementary School and I am a 3rd grader.
Oh, wonderful.
Hi, that we are at Gurudwara San Jose, and I'm very happy to meet Gurpreet and family. Very nice of them. They brought us here and showing everything. Thank you so much, Gurpreet.
It's a very beautiful Gurudwara. This is on a hillock on the mountain, and this has a very spacious place. Entire thing is so beautifully moved, and it has a huge parking space. This entire space with so many hundreds of car parking, and on Sundays when there is no COVID, you can see almost 15,000 people, 20,000 people, 40,000 people turning up to this beautiful Gurudwara. So at the backdrop you can see the mountains, and this entire place is so beautiful. So much of open space to sit down. So the San Jose Gurudwara has very beautiful water fountains, lovely architecture. Everything is so spacious, and you can see the fountains. Very beautiful, lovely fountains, very neat, with an excellent ambience. Lovely fountains, everything is maintained so beautiful, worth watching. This has a very beautiful lobby. Everything is being maintained so immaculately. वाहेगुरु जी की खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. You can find beautiful paintings. Total history of the Sikhism is being told here, and you can see all the cassettes, and all the sevaks are doing a wonderful job. This is the information center. It's a beautiful dome, so immaculately made. एक ओंकार, एक सतनाम. This is Sikh Gurudwara San Jose in California, USA. It's a wonderful place to visit. Welcome to Sikh Gurudwara San Jose, Murillo Avenue, San Jose. Here you can see the North Hall, Sikh Art Gallery, South Hall, Main Diwan Hall, Langar Hall, Guru Nanak Free Medical Clinic, Guru Nanak Khalsa School, and KS Library and Administration Office. This is the community board. Here you can see the sanitization and also a very beautiful, well organized shoe stand. This is one passage to enter the Gurudwara. This is the entrance to the prayer hall of the Gurudwara, where you can see the Guru Granth Sahib. It has the beautiful gardens. It has a beautiful gardens and lovely greenery. This is the lobby. This is another passage. Lovely architecture. This is the main Diwan Hall. This is the Langar Hall. This is the Langar Hall. This is for the people to sit down and to have their lunch. Here the free water is being given to everybody. Everything is hygienically packed. Langar food is being served to everybody whoever has come. Here you have the Guru Nanak Free Medical Clinic for all the needy. This is the another lobby, another passage. This is a beautiful Langar Hall, so well maintained.
This is where they used to put mats and we used to eat them, and that place is where we took longer, and that place is where like we can take some candies, pakoras, meet here.
Oh, this entire kitchen area is so neat, hygienic, and extraordinarily being maintained. This is the food preparation area.
Where they used to clean dishes and other things, metal. I even used to, but now they don't allow many people here.
Oh, but so neatly maintained, so hygienic. Everything is so clean and neat and well organized.
So this is a washing and drying machine for the utensils.
Mhm.
The utensils, whenever people are done, there are people who are these called sevadars.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna put it from there, start washing paper clothes. This machine washes it, dries it, it comes out, and then the plates and spoons and glasses are stacked here, as you can see. And they are used when the Langar Hall is open to re-serve the people.